Dear friends, Chemistry Quiz Festival is ongoing. You can just participate in it and give answer to these quizzes. For example, rust is, what is the answer below? Just click on the correct answer, then you get answer. If you want explanation to that answer, click on this bulb and you get the link to get explanation. Okay, in this way you can visit website where you get explanation to that answer. We just go back, and here is another question, that is ratio of experimented value to the calculated property of the colligative property is known as, correct answer is Van't factor. MnO is diamagnetic substance, paramagnetic substance, ferromagnetic substance or antiferromagnetic substance. Correct answer is antiferromagnetic substance. By clicking on this bulb button you can get correct answer and also get explanation. Orthoboric acid is, here is the options, Na2B4O7, N2B2H6, LiBH4, H3BO3. Correct answer is H3BO3. You click on bulb and get explanation from this link. Water molecule is a bent molecule with bond angle of, fill in the blank, and OH bond length is, fill in the blank. Just fill that blanks with correct answer, and correct answer is 104.5 and 95.7. Similarly, this is a multiple answers based question. Isotope of hydrogen, select all correct answers, then click vote button. Correct answer is protium, deuterium, tritium. The process of breathing is example of oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, redox reaction, polymerization reaction. Correct answer is redox reaction. Similarly, relationship between pH and POH at 298 Kelvin, that is 25 degrees Celsius, is, correct answer is pH plus POH is equal to 14. You can click on this bulb button and get explanation at this link. This chemistry quiz festival is sponsored by chemistrynotesinfo.com. System in which no exchange of matter and energy between the system and the surroundings take place, that system is known as, options is open system, closed system, isolated system, chemical system. Correct answer is isolated system. At constant volume and fixed amount of gas, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. This law is given by, options are Avogadro, Gay-Lussac, Charles Boyles. Correct answer is Gay-Lussac. Similarly, you can click on this bulb button to learn about Gay-Lussac laws or other laws. When an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom to convert it into a negative ion, the change in enthalpy in the process is given by, options are electronegativity, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electron lose enthalpy. Correct answer is electron gain enthalpy. Radioactive isotope of hydrogen has, fill in the blanks, number of neutrons 0, 1, 2 or 3. Correct answer is 2. and 43% pupils give correct answer. It is good achievement. How many moles of CH4 methane is needed to get 44 gram CO2 carbon dioxide after combustion? Options are 0.5 mole of methane, 1 mole of methane, 2 mole of methane, 5 mole of methane. Correct answer is 1 mole of methane, and about 56% pupils give right answer. Isotope have similar chemical properties but different atomic masses, atomic numbers, both none. Correct answer is atomic masses. What is more effective in hard water? What is more effective in hard water? Options are soap, detergent, liquid, shampoo. It is simple question. So maximum pupils give right answer, that is detergent. Process of converting sulfide ores into oxides by heating strongly in the presence of excess air is called. Options are calcination, oxide reduction, oxide oxidation, roasting. Correct answer is roasting. You can click on this bulb button and get right answer or explanation about question. We also include some simple questions for 9th 10th students, some medium difficulty questions for 11th 12th, and some difficult questions for graduates, and some highly difficult questions for postgraduate students. So this quiz festival contains all type of quiz questions. Our question is, chemical formula of baking soda is. Options are NaHCO3, Na2CO3, NH4Cl, Na2CO3. Correct answer is NaHCO3. CuO plus H2 plus heat gives Cu plus H2O is example of. Options are oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, redox reaction, and correct answer is redox reaction. I don't enter fourth option, so I write website name here. Just neglect it. Another quiz question. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2 is example of. Options are addition reaction, decomposition reaction, substitution reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction, or all of above. Correct answer is decomposition reaction. Example of metalloids are B, that is boron, Si, silicon, As, arsenic, or all of the above. So these all of the above are examples of metalloids. So correct answer is all of the above. Elements which are neither metals nor non-metals are known as metalloids. Another quiz question is, X-ray was discovered by W.K. Roentgen in year, that is 9. Options are 1899, 1895, 1885, 1775. Correct answer is 1895. You can click on this bulb button and get right answer. X-ray was discovered by W.K. Roentgen in 1895. You can learn more about X-rays at this link, https://www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. BA minus 1 is equal to fill in the blank if A, B are elements of group G. This question is from symmetry and group theory chapter. Options are B minus 1 A minus 1 B, B minus 1 A minus 1, A minus 1 B minus 1. Correct answer is A minus 1 B minus 1. About 66 answers, but only 9% people give right answer. So this is difficult chapter. Learn more about this chapter by watching our YouTube video, or you can also learn about this chapter from here, symmetry and group theory MSc chemistry notes. These notes are not for particularly MSc student, BSc or MSc or other students who are interested to learn about symmetry and group theory also learn from this link. We just link the difficult chapters according to difficulties grade wise, that is simple questions, simple chapters for 9th, 10th, then 11th, 12th, then BSc, then MSc, this wise. But you can learn these chapters as per your syllabus. Don't see tags, just see the topic. You can also download the symmetry and group theory PDF from this link by clicking on this download button, and this way you get downloads. Where we are? Okay. Water has a fill in the blank axis of rotation. Options are 2-fold, 4-fold, 6-fold, 7-fold, and maximum people give right answer because it is simple question. About 71% people give right answer, that is 2-fold. So water has a 2-fold axis of rotation. You can get explanation from above link by clicking on button. A bottle containing 2 immiscible liquids. These liquids may be separated by using a separating funnel, vacuum distillation, fractionating column, or steam distillation. About 71 answers we get for this quiz, and about 62% people give right answer, that is separating funnel. If you participate in this quiz festival and give right answer, then comment below in comment section, and also comment how you feel about this channel or this quiz festival. You can also click on this bell button to get explanation or right answer. People, we do lots of hard work to upload these quiz questions and make these quizzes, so please respond. Like, are you happy with this symmetry and group theory PDF or notes? So please respond yes or no, so we will make more PDFs or more quizzes. Your response motivates us. Another quiz question. Surface tension of the liquid is measured by tachyometer, tensiometer, tensiometer, or tachometer. Correct answer is tensiometer. About 50% people give right answer. You can click on this bell button and click get right answer. So right answer is tensiometer. You can also download our chemistry app from this link. You can also join our WhatsApp group to download these notes. Dear students, please also click on these buttons, so we will know about you and upload quiz questions or notes as per your request or more pupils. So here we can see that the max about 2 people respond to ninth class, and 2 people for 10th class, and 2 for 11th, and 2 for 12th, and 2 for BSc, and 7 for MSc, and 7 are teachers. Thank you teachers, you are part of this group. Thank you Chitra madam for your active participation to providing notes. You can also click on this YouTube button to learn from our YouTube videos. You can click on this Facebook button to join our Facebook page or Facebook group. You can click on this Instagram button to download chemistry images, infographics. So let's connect with us. Another quiz question is, sulfonamide metabolism in human body is carried out by, options are oxidation, conjugation, methylation, acetylation. So correct answer is acetylation. Click on this bulb button and you get correct answer is acetylation. You can also learn from our video lessons from our YouTube link. Hydrogen bomb is based on which of the following principle? Options are nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, both or none. Maximum people gives right answer, that is nuclear fusion. It's good achievement. Wow. PVC used in plastic industry, its full form is polyvinyl chloride. And similarly you can see here lots of questions, so participate in this quiz and enjoy. Bye.